Surprise Fun Club! Yay!
Dion's playtime. Hi, friends.
What are we going to do today?
We're opening this bunny surprise.
Bunny surprise egg! Let's see it.
I look like a bunny.
It looks like a bunny. And you look like a bunny?
Yeah.
I like your blue bunny ears. What is this bunny's name?
Cutie.
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 Her name is Cutie. With her bow and her droopy bunny ears and her nose and her little buck teeth. Do you have buck teeth? Let me see your teeth. Oh, she has 2 little teeth. What do you guys think of our bunny? Let us know down below in the comments. You ready to open Cutie?
Yeah.
What are you gonna take off for Cutie first? Let's take this Play-Doh off because we have surprises inside, huh? An ear. You have an ear? Oh my goodness, you're destroying the bunny. Now she has 1 ear. What next?
A bow.
The bow.
A bow. I love it.
Take off the bow. What next?
A bow.
Oh!
Oh.
1 eyeball.
Oh.
Another eyeball.
I know.
Now what?
I know.
Oh!
I messed it up.
That looks crazy, huh?
A tooth.
The teeth. Now what?
What is this?
It's like a little cheek. A little cheek.
Here. I always like the smirk.
A little smirk. Wow, just 1 ear left. That's silly.
Oh yeah, so Play-Doh next. Oh, yeah.
Gonna rip that pink Play-Doh off. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited to open the prizes. I'm so excited to open the prizes. I'm so excited.
Whoa, looks like cool things are in there, bud. We still have more Play-Doh.
I'm so excited to open the prizes.
Okay, Mr. Bunny, let's crack it open.
Crack.
You're gonna give it a big hug.
Wow.
Wow. What do we see in there?
Shopkins and Tsum Tsums.
Zoom, zoom, zoom,
What is
zoom.
this?
That's a My Little Pony bag, shotgun eggs, and some surprises. Okay, what are you gonna open first?
Everybody zoom zoom.
Everybody, zoom, zoom. It's a mystery step pack. Gonna open that up.
I'm trying to get that one, friend.
Who is that? Oh, so cute. Let's get that open.
Get that out.
Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. And a honey pot.
Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, so cute. We got a Winnie the Pooh Tsum Tsum. He's so cute. What are we gonna open next?
This. I
Awesome.
don't see what one we gonna get. Oh, we got this one.
Let's show your friends.
It's broccoli.
That's silly. It does look like broccoli. That is Perfect Pie the Pony.
Now we have surprises.
Okay, let's see. Which one are you gonna open? That yellow one? See who's in there. It's a Disney pet.
No.
His name is Sultan. Can you show your friends?
Sultan. I like Sultan.
You like Sultan? Me too. Orange polka dot egg. Who's that?
A minion.
A minion.
He's cute.
You like minions?
Boop, 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 boop. Let's open this one.
That purple egg, Easter egg.
What's on it?
Yeah, it has little squigglies.
And these. Sumo.
Whoa,
Look,
Zuma.
Sumo.
Let's dive in. You gonna line them up?
Oh,
Get it?
then. I got it here.
Okay, let's see.
Wobble!
Rubble on the double. What egg are you gonna open now?
The small egg.
Small pink egg. Let's see who's in there.
Sky.
Sky from the Paw Patrol.
She fits in there.
Yeah, she's little. She's the smallest pup.
Let's open this purple egg.
That big purple one, okay.
It's already opened.
Whoa, who's that?
It's
It's a Care Bear.
a Carebear. Carebear.
Share Bear. A Care Bear.
She. Hi, doggy. A pink egg. It's a black pony.
It's a My Little Pony horse. Awesome. Where's he gonna sit?
Right there.
Right there. Perfect.
The last egg.
Last egg and then a Shopkins egg. It's in that blue surprise egg. It's a Shopkins. Let's see.
A tree.
It's Tiny Tree the Shopkin. Awesome.
Awesome.
Wow, he's gonna sit back there. Okay. Now we have our last surprise toy. It's a Shopkins Easter egg.
Shopkins Easter egg.
Why are you whispering?
Guys.
You're silly. Okay, let's get that open. Okay, let's see what's in there.
And hopefully we get the same like this one.
Okay, let's hope we get different ones, right?
No. Hopefully we'll get different ones. Yeah, we do get different ones.
Oh, cute.
We have these now.
Okay, let's get those plastic open, okay? Okay, let's see what's in there.
It's
Looks
a
like
present.
A present?
You can open it.
Oh, yeah? Is it a present for your friends?
Yeah.
Show your friends. It's a present.
Open this one.
Okay, let's see what that last surprise toy is. It's a purse.
It's a
A cute purse. What colors is it?
purple and pink.
With a cute little bow like our cutie surprise egg had.
Did you have fun?
Did you have fun, friends, looking at this video? Opening all of these cool toys in our pink bunny egg with our bunny Dion.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be Dion's playtime. It should be Bunny's playtime today. Huh?
Yeah.
That's silly.
It's gonna be cutie.
Cutie. Give this video a thumbs up, friends.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
See you later.